Okay, the purpose of this is so that I can remember how to create a quiz in Blackboard Vista CTE number 8. So I have my master course here, History 17A. I use a document, or I use a publisher, W.W. Norton, who publishes Eric Foner's Give Me Liberty textbook. It supplies quiz questions, but I want to limit the number of quiz questions, and I want the quiz questions to appear at random. So, Chapter 6, here I have to open it up, and I'm going to select all of these questions. So, multiple choice number 1, 2, 3, 4, and believe it or not, I'm just going to get rid of them. There's 29 of them, but I'm going to remove them. It does not remove the questions from the Testbank. Testbank is hidden. I can't touch it. What it does is it removes the questions in quiz number 6, but the questions will still be in the Testbank. So it's just the questions from quiz number 6 will be taken away. So right now there are 0 questions in quiz number 6. So I'm going to add to this quiz number 6. I need to add some questions. Well, where do I go? I'm going to go to the question set that the publisher provided. So I'll click on that. Wait a little bit, and they come up. Well, you'll see that Chapter 3 I need to collapse. This is Chapter 6, and you'll see I have 2 choices. I have multiple choice questions and true-false questions. I'm going to open up the multiple choice questions, and I'm going to come up here and I'm going to choose them all. I'm going to scroll down and make sure that nothing else is chosen other than Chapter 6 multiple choice questions. And then I'm going to add them. Well, didn't you just delete them? Well, what it does is it puts the set in here, and I can select how many ever I want out of the set. So I'm going to select 10 questions, and I'm going to make them worth 1 point apiece. And I come down here and I'll update that total. And so out of the 29 questions that Chapter 6 has in the Testbank, a student will get a random selection of 10 of those 29. And I'm not done. I want to give 5 multiple choice questions. So I'm going to come back to add assessment again. Click the question set again. Then I'm going to collapse the multiple choice questions and choose the 22 true and false questions and select all of them. And I want all of them in there because I only want a random selection of all of them. Add the selected, and you'll see we have the 10 1-point multiple choice questions. So I have to scroll down, and there's the second set of 5, each of them worth 1 point. 5 true-false questions worth 1 point apiece. Come down here to update the total, and you'll see that my updated total is now 15. You notice that this is still called Chapter 6 quiz. I don't want to call it the Chapter 6 quiz. I want to call it something else. I want to call it Module 7, because the Chapter 6 quiz comes in Mod 7. And give it a description. This quiz covers Chapter 7 of your textbook. Give me liberty. Show that. I want to set this to what it will look like in my grade book. So Mod 7, Chapter 6. I don't want to deliver the questions all at once. I want them one at a time, and they can be revisited. The duration they have is 20 minutes to take this. They get 3 chances to score better than 85 points, and when they take it, they get 20 minutes. Release the score, and come down to release statistics and save. And there you'll see Mod 7 Chapter 6. If I go back to my assessments, you'll see Mod 7 Chapter 6. I want to move it up 1. And there you go. That's all there is to it. And if I go back under the learning modules, and if I choose number 3, I will see as we scroll down how to add that assessment. I need to put it in here. So again, we're module 3. I want quiz number 2. So I need to add that content link. You click on the assessments. I'll come down. Again, I'm in mod 3, chapter 2, add selected, and there it is. So I want to put this above here, and then I want to indent that puppy so you'll see it right there. Mod 3 chapter 2, Mod 3 chapter 2, beginnings of English America. So if I go to the student view and I choose the learning modules and I go to beginnings of English America, I will see chapter quiz. No, we gotta take that out of there. Mod 3 chapter 2. Click on that, and there it is. Alright, very cool. Yay! Done.